29 people already enrolled in my workshop and it generated 4,960. But honestly, that's not even the important part because the truth is, most people don't have a skills problem. They have a clarity problem. Hindi nila alam kung paano gamitin yung experience nila into something na mag-grow or kumita. Let me explain. I've been in hospitality for 14 years. I did everything, hard work, overtime, ang pagiging reliable. I show up early, I stay late, I do my job well, but I realize something. You don't get promoted just because you work hard. You get promoted when people see you as ready. At karamihan, they stay stuck not because they are not good, but because they don't know or they don't understand how decisions are actually made. Walang nagtuturo nito. It's not written in your job descriptions as well. And explain it clearly. So what happened? People keep working harder pero walang progress. That's when I changed my approach. Instead of just working hard, I started observing how managers think, they actually look for in future leaders, how to become visible without forcing yourself. Doon nag-start yung workshop ko. This is not just a theory. This is not a motivation. This is a based on real experience, real situation, and real decision, real growth. And now 29 hospitality professionals already said yes. But here's the next level. Some of them started asking me, how do I do this? How do I create my own workshop? Paano ko gagawing income yung experience ko? And that's when I realized people don't just want growth anymore. Gusto nilang kumita, gusto nila ng control, gusto nila ng something na sa kanila. And that's what I'm building next. From experience to income. Kung ikaw yung may experience pero hindi mo alam paano sila gagawing digital products, this is for you. Comment build, and if you want to join my current workshop, comment clarity.